I'm Cornelia Dutchess, designer and creator of the Tulip Workouts, and welcome to my channel. Today's Tulip Workout is called the Blue Parrot and is a back and triceps exercise, and it is utilizing these kind of resistant bands. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe, like the video and leave a comment, and hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so that was my Tulip workout for the Blue Parrot. So remember to make sure you do those 5 exercises, then have 2 minutes break, and then repeat it another 4 times. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe, like the video and leave a comment, and hope you enjoy the video.